Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Devotion. Chapter 12, Shloka number 5. Greater is their trouble whose minds are set on the unmanifest. For the goal, the unmanifest is very hard for the embodied to reach.
Chapter 12, Shloka 5. क्लेशोऽधिगतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते.
Chapter 12, Shloka 5. In the world, there are two types of seekers, seeking one and the same goal. Some meditate upon the manifested form and others on the unmanifested form. Which out of these are better versed in yoga? This doubt is answered. After explaining how the goal reached by all meditators is one and the same supreme perfection, Lord Krishna tries to compare the two incomparable paths, both of equal efficacy and merit. Lord Krishna explains why it is hard ordinarily for seekers to contemplate upon the formless. The unmanifest is very hard indeed for the embodied to reach. The meaning of the word embodied is to be understood correctly, which means those who are attached to their bodies. If one lives only a life of sensuality and satisfaction of one's body cravings, one will find it too difficult to take to steady and continuous meditation upon the subtle theme of the infinite, formless, and all-pervading. Like an old man whose vision is lost and whose hands are shaking will have trouble threading a needle, so too a mind and intellect agitated, panting and restless, full of desires are not the vehicles that can fly beyond the names and forms of the endless spiritual glory. Hence, for the majority of us, meditation upon the Lord as expressed in the universe is more profitable. Serving the world in a spirit of worship and divine dedication is simpler. By doing so, the body attachments and the sense appetites get reduced from the inner makeup, and the mind becomes subtle to conceive and contemplate on the formless and the imperishable unmanifest. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.